Come test drive the 2016 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.